Activity 5 Speaking takes presently Davidson Monjerijalba, tutor Don Namar, Fernando Duque Caicedo, Universidad Abierta de Distancia UNAD. I live in the municipality of the Plata Huila. I am 27 years old. I am studying industrial engineering. My favorite TV show is a traveling National Geographic. My favorite sport is swimming and soccer. My favorite hobby is traveling for Colombia. I work as a commercial advisor. My series, The Silver Huila Colombian Folkloric Paradise Folk. Credit of the Huila's folklore, where the San Pedrino Festival was born, a tradition that takes more than 16 years, with its majestic cathedral and a park adorned with a ceiba of more than 100 years. All those beautiful silver night full of magic and tradition. Tourist place that enclose history and harmony when traveling. With an excellent gastronomy for the dealing of all those good taste, the achiras, tamales, the suckling pin, and much more. You can not stop visiting this beautiful land of Charen.